In this video, we will explore various tips and tricks to quickly attain cool and refreshing air inside your vehicle. One of the primary factors affecting the performance of your car's AC is regular maintenance. Regular maintenance not only ensures optimal cooling, but also extends the lifespan of your AC components. Parking your car under direct sunlight can significantly increase its interior temperature. Invest in a sunshade to block out the sun's rays and keep the cabin cooler. Whenever possible, choose shaded parking spots to prevent your car from absorbing excessive heat. Before turning on the AC at full blast, roll down the windows for a few moments to let out the hot air that has accumulated inside the car. Utilize the recirculation mode of your car's AC system. This mode circulates the cool air within the cabin, preventing hot air from entering. Instead of setting the AC to the lowest temperature immediately, start with a slightly higher setting and gradually decrease it as the interior cools down. The condenser coils of the AC system are crucial for dissipating heat. Regularly clean the condenser coils to ensure optimal heat exchange and, consequently, better cooling performance. Low refrigerant levels can significantly impact the AC's ability to cool. Periodically check for refrigerant leaks and promptly address any issues. Consider upgrading your car's window tint to a reflective film. It can complement the efforts of the AC system in keeping the cabin cool. In extremely hot conditions, refrain from setting the AC to its maximum cooling capacity immediately. Allow the AC to gradually cool the interior and avoid overworking it to ensure longevity and optimal performance. For more tips and tricks, please follow our page.